Cheers.
Cheers.
It's okay.
Not for breakfast.
Wow, that's actually really good.
Yeah, seriously.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Nanny Joanne. On today's video, it's a super quick, easy, and fun way of using your apples that you have at home, and we're going to be making 3 super easy snacks that your kids will love and enjoy. Who is it?
Special delivery for the viewers.
Special delivery? I didn't ask for a delivery.
Doesn't matter. It's just here.
All right, well, let's see what it is.
It's your girl, Haley.
Haley's back in town, guys. In the flesh, Haley Roman. Woo!
Yeah.
All right, Haley, what are we doing today?
Okay, so we're going to be making snacks related with apples. We're going to be making cinnamon apples, Cookie Monster apples, and nacho apples.
Nacho apples, because they're going to be our apples. Ha! Psh. All right, so let's get started. First, you choose whatever apples you have at home. Red apples, green apples, yellow apples. Any apples will do.
We
First,
chose red and green.
okay, first ingredient is
Cinnamon seasoning.
cinnamon, and of course you need a knife to cut on a cutting board. So we're gonna cut up these apples and we'll show you what we do next.
Now I'm going to grab a bowl. I'm back with my bowl. And now you're just gonna put the apples in the bowl. Apple slices to be specific. And we're gonna sprinkle the cinnamon seasoning. Now very lightly.
Shake it.
And then you're gonna shake it. But not too hard. Also, you can use a spoon to mix this. Now, this can be a video to kids when probably their parents are, when your parents are probably sleeping and you're the early bird waking up. And this may be an idea, but just don't go too overboard with the cinnamon. Now you're sure about the cinnamon mixing, you're gonna take a bite. Taste test. It's actually really good. Wow, I'm gonna try some. Yeah. I'm very impressed.
That's such a big bite.
I know. I have a big mouth.
All right, guys, on to snack number 2 of our easy, fun, quick apple snacks for kids. Let's do this.
Let's begin.
All right, guys, for our next easy, fun, filled snack, we are going to be making
Cookie Monster apples.
Cookie Monster apples.
So for this one, you're gonna need some vanilla French granola.
Whatever kind of granola you want, or if you don't want to use granola or you don't have granola, you can use Honey Nut Cheerios, Lucky Charms, Fruit Loops, Special K, whatever you want as a topping.
Of course, more apples.
So with the apples, we're going to cut them, but the long way or the halfway, basically we're going to make circles because that's going to be our base.
Now, you also need peanut butter, but This is for the people who are allergic to peanut butter. You can use wild butter with this one too. And then, my face is...
Good job.
And then, just a little M&M box. This can be chocolate, nuts, whatever type of M&Ms you would like as the topping.
It doesn't have to be candy. You can opt out of candy.
Yeah.
It just looks cute and colorful, but you can use whatever toppings you want. But you make sure that the base is sticky, so you want to use honey or peanut butter or wild butter or sunflower butter if your kid has, of course, any allergies.
Guys, look what I found in the apple. It's so cute.
Oh yeah, so if you didn't know, fun fact, if you cut apples right down the middle,
it shapes out of this.
They have little stars.
It's so cute. Wait, her face is like a sunflower way. I can't see.
All right, so now that we have our apples cut into circles, Miss Haley is gonna spread the butter.
Okay, so this is gonna be fun. It's like putting mayo or anything on bread. Now you're gonna put the apple slices on the plate after you put the type specific butter. And then with your French granola, that's vanilla, you're gonna spread it all around. Not a lot, but just some of it. This looks so good. Now we're going to grab the M&Ms and put them on top. And just decorate it a little bit. So don't put all of the M&Ms on it. Just put a few. And now we're ready to taste it.
All right, hold on, let's do cheers.
I'm so
Let's do
excited!
cheers. All right, let's see what Miss Haley has made. These look so yummy. All right, so let's give the camera cheers. Cheers. And it's okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
And now we're gonna cheer. Cheer. Boop.
Oh my God.
What do you think, Haley?
It's so good.
It's so good.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like the whole apple, peanut butter, granola, M&M combination is like,
It makes me so happy.
and it's really good. For me personally, I wouldn't add that many M&Ms. I feel like 1, 2, 3, 4 might be enough because I take big bites. So I get like 3 M&Ms in one bite.
Yeah.
But
I got 4.
and I also feel like I could totally do without the M&Ms.
Yeah.
Especially if you don't want your kids having candy, which, hey, I feel like I wouldn't want my kids having candy, but
You don't have any
she ain't my kid. So,
What do you mean I'm not your kid?
I love you.
Okay.
Delish. And you know what? This activity is great because it's something that the kids can do. You know, just cut the apples up, put it on a cookie tray, and let them do what they do, you know? They want peanut butter, they don't. They want granola, they want to get messy with it. Like, I would just watch the amount of candy that they put in it. But other than that, this is a good recipe. Good job. All right, on to recipe number 3.
Alright guys, for the last short recipe, it's really just all the ingredients you use. But now we're going to make nacho apples.
All right, guys. As Haley said, we are making nacho apples. So we're gonna cut our apples into little slices.
Yep.
Let me show. So I cut them like this, you know.
It looks like this. It doesn't have to be that fancy. You can just go with whatever casual stuff you think you want to do. But we just did it like this because, you know, viewers. So now we're going to drizzle some peanut butter on top. So, actually, peanut butter is a little bit thick. So we're going to just microwave it in the microwave up there. We're going to say hi to Jerry right there. Yeah, Jerry's going to do the business for us. And yeah, in a couple of seconds, we'll be back. Okay guys, now that peanut butter is melted, this is how it looks like now. It's pretty hot, so be careful, kids. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a spoon full of it, and you're just gonna drizzle it. Now, me and Julian think this is enough peanut butter. Now you're gonna take some granola. Now you're gonna take some granola. Me stressing with math. Stressing. Okay. Okay, now you're just gonna drizzle it on top. I want granola. Okay, so now me and Joanne are going to taste test it.
All right, guys. So I don't want to add any more M&Ms to this batch, but if you guys have any coconut flakes or chocolate chips that you want to use, whatever toppings you want, be my guest. All right, so let's taste test. Let me see which one I'm gonna grab.
I'm gonna grab one with the big granola because I love the granola.
All right, guys. Cheers. Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Okay. Cheers.
It's actually fainted.
This is delicious.
Mind blown.
Mine is exploding right now. It's like if you do diarrhea or poop in the or poop and your butt is exploding, your balls of poop going down. That's like my mind.
Okay. Guys, you can't go wrong with these recipes, with these ingredients. If you like apples, peanut butter, wild butter, sun butter, whatever, granola, candy, cereal, if you like any of those things, just combine them and make your snack a lot more filling, a lot more substantial. And honestly, like this is such a nutritious snack as opposed to just grabbing.
Except M&Ms.
But you can opt out of that or substitute that for something better.
Yeah.
But like instead of grabbing like one of those like sugary filled bars or I don't know, Pringles or Doritos or ice cream, just grab some of your favorite fruits and make something awesome with it.
Make something awesome with it.
Just make something awesome with it. You have all these ingredients for the most part at home. Who doesn't have cereal? Who doesn't have apples or any kind of other fruit? Who doesn't have cereal? Who doesn't have peanut butter or wild butter or whatever? Who doesn't have granola? Like, you just gotta get creative and your kid will love it. Love to help, love to do anything with it.
You're not my kid though. I mean, I'm not your kid.
Yeah, but their kid would love it.
I bit my tongue.
Also, chicken for talking and eating. Kids don't talk and eat.
Thanks, guys. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you subscribe, like, or comment. And let us know which kind of snacks in the comments down below. Let us know what kind of snacks do you like. Did you like the nacho apples, the cinnamon apples, or the Cookie Monster apples?
What's your favorite?
To be honest, the cookie monsters.
It's probably because of the M&Ms, but that was my favorite too, so I'm not gonna lie. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching. Oh, and stay tuned because we're gonna have a part 2 of fun, quick, super easy snacks that you can make at home on your own or with mom, dad, your nanny, whomever. And it's also gonna be fruit related. So today's video was all about apple fun-filled snacks, and next week we'll make another one of another kind of fruit snack that you can make at home with simple ingredients that you probably already have.
Bye guys, see you in the next one.
See you in the next one.